So my next question is, I am really excited about the possibility, the ideas, the unfolding of learning to fly and buying a seaplane so that I can traverse the islands of Scotland in my little plane, and also buying and rebuilding Scottish castles for the new paradigm. And I can totally see it. Like, I think about it every day. It doesn't stress me out as to why it's not happened yet. I'm learning to get excited about the unfolding of it. I'm just wondering how I can if you know any way I can speed these up.
I would say be satisfied with the vision and the dream. So like you've heard my mega yacht manifestation from last year. I talked about that in the collective. So same kind of thing. Watch YouTube videos of these castles and indulge in the fact that these castles exist. So anything that you can do that's going to put you in the vibration of appreciation and pleasure around these castles will help speed things up, and kind of not caring that it's not here yet. Those would be the biggest things. If you plan on buying a castle, start shopping now. Start doing everything you would be doing as if you already had the money in the bank to buy your castle. So take all the action steps as far as you can take them.
Okay, awesome. And that really works as well, because I got my sailing certificates for yachts a couple of years ago, and that was like a breeze. Do you know what I mean? It happened so naturally. So I'm really excited to with the flying thing, I'm really excited to witness the unfolding of that. And someone in the collective contacted me about being a pilot and saying, hey, she lives in Scotland, she's in Edinburgh, and she was like, hey, if you want. Yeah, totally. I was like, yes, this is so exciting.
Have you connected with her?
I have, yeah.
Awesome. Good.
Yeah.